Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 4 to the power of s plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. Solution. We have 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. Then 4 to the power of s can be written as 2 squared to the power of s plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of mn. Then this can be written as 2 to the power of s squared plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. Now let 2 to the power of s is equal to y. Here we have y squared plus y is equal to 12. This is y squared plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We may solve this using, then this is y squared plus 3y minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then this is y bracket y plus 3 minus 4 bracket y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is y minus 4 bracket y plus 3 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. Y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then from here, y is equal to 4, and from here, y is equal to minus 3. Then recall that two to the power of s is equal to y. Two to the power of s is equal to 4, and 2 to the power of s is equal to minus 3. But 2 to the power of s cannot be equal to minus 3. This is positive, this is negative, so it is rejected. Now we consider this 2 to the power of s then we have y squared plus y is equal to 12. This is y squared plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. And this is, the product is minus 3 multiplied by 4. This is equal to minus 12. And the sum, which must be equal to the coefficient of y, is the sum which must be equal to the coefficient of y is minus 3 plus 4. This is equal to 1. This can be written as y squared minus 3y plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y bracket y minus 3 plus 4 bracket y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is common. We have y minus 3 bracket this y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then y minus 3 is equal to 0, and y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then from here, y is equal to 3. And from here, y is equal to minus 4. Recall that two to the power of x is equal to y. Then 2 to the power of s is equal to 3. And 2 to the power of s is equal to minus 4. But 2 to the power of s cannot be equal to minus 4. This is rejected because this is positive and this is negative. Then we consider this. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 2 to the power of s is equal to log 3. Then s log 2 is equal to log 3. Let's divide both sides by log 2. This divided by log 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 3 over log 2. Then s is equal to log 3 base 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 to the power of s plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. This can be written as 2 to the power of 2s plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 12. Then this is 2 to the power of 2 brackets log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 12. Then this is 2 to the power of log 3 square base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 12. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of log b base a is equal to b, then the whole of this can be written as 3 square plus 3, which is the whole of this, must be equal to 12. Then 3 square, this is 9 plus 3, must be equal to 12. Then 12 is equal to 12, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.